Hi, my name is Jeremy, and I wanted to give you guys a couple of tips on ways you guys can better rank in Google. I found you guys by searching Cleveland landscaping, and I saw that you guys were on page two. The bottom was the bottom of page two, which is not bad. We could do better. This is an SEO scanner that I put your URL in. You guys have a title tag that's way too long. This helps determine what your site is about. All of this. From your title tab to your meta description, you guys don't have a meta description at all. Too short or non-existent. It has between 70 and 320 characters. This is your HTML header tags. This will also what helps determine what your site is about, the body content. Too many. I would keep this one right here, get rid of the rest. Or if anything, I would take these two, I would put them as your H2s because you guys don't have any. That's what's hurting your website. That's what's really hurting your website. Just these two simple things can be the difference between the bottom of page two or the bottom of page one alone. By comparison, even though you guys are ranking better than these guys, Rice's Tree Service, if they were to fix all these H2s that they have, if they were to cut them in half, I guarantee within the next 30 days, these guys will probably be ranking better than you guys. And then they'll be getting all the traffic to their website. And they have one. I think this alone is what's hurting them. But they don't know that. You guys do. But you guys have a nice website, a very nice website. Even though you guys are right here, if I go to page 3, they're right here. They're in the middle of page 3. They're not too far from behind you guys. But yeah, those two simple things could help you guys out a lot. If you guys need any help, I'll be happy to help you get that all sorted out and everything. Thank you.